Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make ogbono soup. If you are stopping by for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that way you do not miss any other thing from me. Alright, let's get going. The first thing we want to do is make sure our meat or protein sauce is like washed and ready. Next thing we'll be doing is slicing onions. I love onions. If you don't like onions, you might want to skip this step. Alright, the next thing you want to do is take half tablespoon of your measuring spoon, and guess what ingredient it is? It's the all-purpose seasoning. You guys are if you haven't made this sauce here, you guys are sleeping. Anyway, next thing I'm putting is the pepper. Please do not put this much if you do not like hot pepper. Like, to me, I just love it. Alright, next thing I'm putting is the bouillon, chicken cube, or whatever kind of thing you love to give taste to your food, but to me I just love the chicken bouillon. Alright, next thing I'll just do is to mix it up. Just mix it up. I feel like when you do this, it kind of like gives the meat the opportunity to play with the sauce, play with everything. Alright, next thing I'm putting is half a cup of water. Alright, so once you put that in, just let it sit for a while and then boom, let it boil. Alright, to cover it up, while this is boiling, what you might want to do next is to get the ogbono ready. So for this, I'll just be using 1 tablespoon of ogbono. You want to make sure you get the right quantity because anyway, 1 tablespoon of ogbono and half tablespoon of palm oil. If you don't like palm oil, you might be able to substitute for vegetable oil. I personally have never had ogbono with vegetable oil, but I've heard of people who have done it before. Anyway, so what I did was I microwaved it for about 30 seconds just to melt the palm oil, and so you can wake up. It's been sleeping. Just mix it up and bring everything together into one nice mixture. Alright, next thing we want to do now is to add it to our already boiled meat. Okay, so when you do that, the next thing you want to do is mix it up. You guys don't mind my voice, I'm just messing around. Alright, so what you want to do now is to mix it up and make sure that your ogbono is not burning. Please do not let your ogbono burn. Like, just enjoy it, like mix it up, enjoy it, have fun with it. And yeah, that's how it looks when it's mixed and it's been mixed. So next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead and add the remaining half a cup of water to the ogbono bowl, just to get as much as I can from the bowl, and then just add it back into the ogbono and then mix it up, and then boom, let it boil for a little while, and that's basically it for now. Alright, after it's boiled a little, what I love to do is to add my shrimp. This you can actually customize. Even for your meat, you can customize it, not so much, because this is just me eating, and I kind of like my food fresh, so I'm not very big on cooking like in large quantity. Alright, after the shrimp, the next thing I'll just add to it is crayfish. Okay, these two, I feel like it's based on personal preference. Just kind of customize it based on how much crayfish you love to see in your food. I love crayfish, so anyway, I just put half a tablespoon, and I feel like that's like a good amount to be able to have that crayfish smell. Alright, and that's it for now. Enjoy. Alright, the next thing I want to add is okra. This is completely optional, but I don't know, I just love it. Like, I love adding okra to my ogbono because I feel like it just gives it this nice, juicy, chewy, yummy Like, it just makes it better. I don't know. Like, tell me what you think in the description. I mean, in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about okra. Well, I definitely love okra. Anyway, we'll just let it boil a little. And yep, we're almost done. We're almost done. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that goodness. Ogbono soup. How can you not like ogbono? Anyway, next thing I'm adding is spinach. You know, this is also optional, but I don't know, I like to have like a little bit of, you know, greenish stuff, you know. Just let it rest there. And guess what, guys? We are done. We are done. We are done. Yep, we're done. Just let it cover. Some people are against covering ogbono, but I always cover my ogbono and it still comes out good. I guess I'm not sure why people don't cover it. Like, I grew up not covering my ogbono, but later I started covering my ogbono and I didn't really see any difference. So I'm like, okay, why not? Sure, I'm going to cover my ogbono. Anyway, just let it sit for as long as you think it's gonna take for it to like cook and everything, you know, kill all the germs from, you know, the meat or the ogbono itself or the crayfish, whatsoever it is. Just make sure everything is cooked, because you know we don't want to eat something raw. And boom, that's literally it. Oh god, look at that goodness. Woohoo! The food is ready. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit the like button. Comment down below what you think. Let me know how you'll be eating this. What will you be eating it with? If you want suggestion of what you love, I mean, an idea of what to eat this with, let me know. Leave a comment down below. And thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Do have a beautiful and wonderful day. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.